Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the fuel consumption units on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Changing the fuel consumption units is pretty easy once you know how. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. Press the menu button to the right of the screen. Then tap System. Scroll down the System settings and tap Units. Then tap the current fuel consumption unit to the right of fuel consumption. Here you can choose between litres per 100 kilometers, kilometers per litre, miles per gallon US and miles per gallon UK. Tap to select the fuel consumption units that you would like to use. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.